What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, and thank you for understanding that YouTube is now run by AI. To be honest, I don't even know if people work there anymore, but nonetheless, the AI is allowing general discussions about crypto, NFTs, and other digital assets. That's all that this video is. It is not a promise, promotion, suggestion, recommendation, or guarantee of any kind. I know that, you know that, YouTube doesn't think you know it, but now they have to know that you know it because I said it. You guys get it. Nonetheless, let's jump right into the article here. It says that Shiba Inu coin's price stalls below key resistance despite a 339% burn spike. Weak momentum and low activity limit this bullish breakout chances. However, guys, okay, we're starting to see some confidence return to the market. Bitcoin sitting near $75,000. Ethereum's back up above 23. Solana's around 85. We get it. It's green on the day. It's green on the week. We got a little bit of an hourly pullback here. But one of the most important things that we can look at is this level of 56 neutrality. We're nearing a greedy situation. That is beautiful. We haven't seen levels this high since October of 2025. Bitcoin was sitting at an all-time high in October of 2025. Think about that, guys. We are just as confident now as when Bitcoin was at an all-time high. I cannot wait until greed and extreme greed return to the market. Now, with all of that being said, let's jump in. Actually, let's first review the price action here. Shiba Inu coin sitting at about 595 points per coin. It is dead set on trying to break this 50-day exponential moving average. But you can see here, it has acted as an actual brick wall for the last 1 month plus. And of course, we haven't really breached this level with a sustained move. It tried to breach, but came right back down. Tried to breach, came right back down. We haven't really breached this level with a sustained move since the end of 2024, about a year and a half ago at this point. And man, time does fly, doesn't it? Nonetheless, we're watching this level of resistance, and if broken, a lot of technical traders could send SHIB on a rally. It says technical indicators point towards a dense resistance zone overhead, restricting progress. The market now watches for a decisive move as bulls attempt a breakout while sellers aim to maintain control. Shiba Inu coin currently trading at 592. Of course, you guys just saw 595, so right around there, with limited upward movement. It says the price remains below several technical barriers that continue to reject rallies. The parabolic SAR is sitting at 616, stands as firm resistance. The upper Bollinger Band at 613 reinforces this level. Volatility remains compressed, and very compressed at that. You guys look, 600 points per coin resistance here, and of course support sitting at about 580 points per coin. Dude, it's a very tight 20-point range that Shiba Inu coin is stuck in. Says this pattern often signals a breakout, but direction is uncertain. The current price sits between the middle band at 592 and the lower band at 570, and this range highlights ongoing indecision in the market. And the ongoing indecision coincides perfectly with the uncertainty and neutral sentiment that's in the market right now. When people are neutral, they don't know if they should be scared and selling. They don't know if they should be greedy and buying. Let me tell you something. Buying when you're greedy means you're buying when prices are high. Buying when other people are afraid, or buying when you're afraid, means you're buying when prices are low. Okay, so that's where you get the old adage, buy when others are fearful and sell when others are greedy. Dude, buy when you're afraid. Sell when you're greedy. I mean, make it about you if you want. It says a descending trend line adds further resistance. It extends from previous peaks and continues to block upward movement. These combined factors create strong resistance zones, and recent rallies have consistently failed to break through this resistance structure. It says as a close above 616 could improve short-term sentiment, and on the downside, a drop below 570 may push the price towards 500 key support. Now, to be honest with you, the way the market is moving right now, I'm not necessarily concerned about SHIB bucking the entire trend and moving down to 500 points per coin. We're watching Bitcoin try to break resistance levels. we should be watching Shiba Inu coin try to break resistance levels. If, of course, Bitcoin falls back down to 60,000, then we can be concerned about SHIB falling through 500 points per coin. But until then, I remain bullish. And with that, I continue buying. I continue accumulating. I actually bought a little bit more this morning.